Ohio's second annual sales tax holiday is now underway and runs through Sunday night. That means this is a great weekend to grab that school clothing, but it doesn't mean you should buy everything right now, and you still need to be a savvy shopper to find the best deals. The average family now spends over $600 a year on back to school, not including a laptop or tablet. So we went school shopping with blogger Andrea Deckard of SavingsLifestyle.com, who has 3 school-age kids. Andrea's first tip: no single store is best for everything. For instance, she loves Staples for its weekly 1-cent sales.
Every week they always have a few items that they advertise that are penny deals. This week, there's pens, there's index cards, also erasers.
But she says on other items, Staples can be more expensive. So she hits Walmart for low-priced basics. She goes to Target for fashion items. And she shops online for school uniforms.
Land's End has some of the best uniforms available, and they always have amazing sales.
What about notebooks? Andrea says they all end up dog-eared, so cheaper store brands are fine, especially at office supply stores like Staples that won't sell junk.
I am totally fine with the generic items. I think the only time I will ever buy a name brand product is really when they have coupons available.
Andrea says one area she will not go cheap: backpacks. Bargain backpacks may not make it to Christmas.
I'm a big proponent of quality over quantity when it comes to backpacks. We have used the same backpack for going on 5 years now.
Another tip: at LL Bean, they'll replace backpacks free forever if they break. Finally, Andrea says this is the best time of year outside of Black Friday to buy a laptop.
Watch for the different sales at all of the stores.
Don't have school-age kids? Andrea reminds us it's still a great time for buying electronics and office supplies. Now, as we've been reporting all day, Ohio's sales tax holiday runs through Sunday night with no tax on most school clothing and small school supplies. For a full list of what qualifies and what does not, go to WCPO.com so you don't waste your money. I'm John Matarese, 9 on your side.